This morning, while I was doing the typical morning things, a huge box arrived. Yes, look how huge this parcel is. Inside, there is a ton of bubble wrap and packaging, which keeps the contents very safe, so I'm not going to complain about. It also makes sense why this box was so huge. I'm playing past the parcel. There's a smaller box inside. Underneath this paper protecting the contents of the box is the Insta 360 X4. Yes, today we're going to be unboxing the Insta 360 X4, which is quite a mouthful, and I'm going to stumble over that many times throughout filming this voiceover. The box also had the Insta 360 selfie stick included, which I wasn't expecting, so this is an additional bonus. Taking off this protective plastic wrapping, the polyethylene, it's poly something, this plastic, comment it down below. It always makes a super satisfying noise as you pull it off. Inside the box, you can see we have the camera. So this is the Insta 360 X4, and currently it has all of its protective film on it. And we're going to be leaving that on it for now, because the last thing I would want to do would be to scratch this camera before I've even used it. There's this large white box, so we're going to take a look at what's inside it. Here we have the protective pouch for the Insta 360 X4. This pouch will come in handy when it comes to just throwing this camera in your pocket, and it's not too bulky. There's a bunch of goodies inside. Look at all of these. First of all, we have this protective case, it looks like. Maybe this is what that is. The Thermo Grip something. It's a nice case. We'll see how that fits on in a little bit. Here we have our microfiber cloth, and we have our charging cables for the camera. I'm going to have to charge this camera up before I can use it. And inside this pouch, there's a bunch of mini pockets. Look at these pockets for SD cards or for the cleaning cloth. That's super exciting, and I did not know that the pouch would have them inside. In this long box here, we have all of the little booklets, the warranty and everything else, all the technical stuff you need to keep and you should probably read before you use this camera. There's our warranty card, and then hiding right at the end of this case, being very stubborn, are the lens guards. Now these are super helpful, especially when you're shooting outside. You don't have to worry about scratching your lens if you have the lens guards on. Here's one last look at the camera. It's a super satisfying looking camera, and it's got a good bit of weight to it. I cannot wait to take it out and test it. So we're now moving on to the Insta 360 invisible selfie stick. The stick is well protected with styrofoam wrapping and this beautiful little bag. It's not beautiful, but it protects it, so I like it nonetheless. Here is the stick. It's got a very nice finish. There's rubber on the handle, and I thought I had to twist it to pull it out, but it turns out you just give it a yank. Twisting isn't working. There we go, you see? So we pull it out, and it's nice and long, and here you can see the full length of the selfie stick. And hang on, have I just discovered I'm a Jedi?